Did you know that traditional gardening can create tons of waste from plastic pots to chemical runoff? But here's the good news. You can grow an incredible garden while creating almost no waste at all. Today, I'm sharing zero waste gardening tips so you can grow more food, more beauty, and more life while sending less to the landfill. Let's dive in. Number 1. What is zero waste gardening? Zero waste gardening is about rethinking every stage of your garden, from how you grow to how you reuse and recycle. It means minimizing packaging and plastic, composting everything you can, repurposing and recycling materials, creating a closed, regenerative system. Your garden becomes not just a food source, but a statement of sustainability. Number 2. Compost. Absolutely everything. Composting is the cornerstone of zero waste gardening. Compostable items, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds and tea bags, eggshells, grass clippings, and dry leaves. Turn kitchen and garden waste into black gold for your soil, naturally and powerfully. Number 3. Ditch plastic pots. Plastic pots are wasteful and often end up in landfills. Better options: biodegradable pots like coconut coir, peat, or compressed paper. DIY seed starters from newspaper, toilet paper rolls, or egg cartons. Reuse containers you already have: old mugs, baskets, tins. Your creativity can replace plastic and make your garden uniquely beautiful. Number 4. Save seeds and grow from scraps. Planting doesn't always mean buying new seeds. Ways to grow: save seeds from tomatoes, peppers, sunflowers, and more. Regrow veggies like green onions, celery, and lettuce from kitchen scraps. It's cost-free, sustainable, and surprisingly addictive. Number 5. Use natural fertilizers and pest control. Commercial fertilizers and pesticides often come in wasteful packaging and contain harsh chemicals. Natural alternatives: compost tea or worm tea as fertilizers, neem oil, garlic spray, and companion planting for pest control. Nature provides everything we need. We just have to tap into it. Number 6. Mulch with recycled or natural materials. Mulch conserves water, prevents weeds, and improves soil, but it doesn't have to come in a plastic bag. Free mulch options: fallen leaves, grass clippings, straw, shredded newspaper. Cover your soil, nourish your garden, and skip the store-bought packaging. Number 7. Harvest and store wisely. Don't let your hard work go to waste at harvest time. Storage tips: use cloth bags, baskets, or jars. No plastic bags. Preserve extra food by freezing, canning, or drying. Share surplus harvests with friends, neighbors, or food banks. Zero waste isn't just about growing, it's about sharing and savoring. Number 8. Reuse everything you can. A zero waste mindset sees value in everything. Repurposing ideas. Broken tools become art or trellises. Old windows turn into cold frames. Salvaged wood becomes raised beds. Before you throw anything away, ask, could this find a second life in my garden? Number 9. Start a garden swap or free cycle group. Extend zero waste gardening beyond your yard. How to start? Trade seeds, plants, tools, and supplies with friends. Set up a swap day at your local community center. Join online groups focused on gardening exchanges. Community sharing reduces production waste and builds relationships too. Number 10. Celebrate your zero waste garden. Every small choice adds up to a major impact. Celebrate. Document your garden's journey with photos or a journal. Host a zero waste garden party. Teach others how to garden sustainably. Your garden is more than a space, it's a movement. Zero waste gardening proves that growing food and beauty doesn't have to come at the earth's expense. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.